So we are on the way to Starbucks again. Yes, I know. I want me my mocha. And then we're going back to Walmart to get the diaper bag. But, yeah. What are we doing tomorrow? We don't know what we're doing. My husband likes this song. It's so weird. Because I don't like
I'm sick.
Taylor Swift. Yeah, he's sick. Poor baby.
It's Taylor Swift.
Yeah. That song by her.
I know the song.
You know what?
So I just know the song.
Oh, I thought you said, I know she's fine. I said, she okay. Before Money, she wasn't shit. Say hi, Dynasty. Can't even see her. Dance.
Is that more your music? Now make that mother.
Huh?
I said, is that more your music?
Yeah, that's more of my music. Huh? You want what? Oh, don't say motherfucker. Sorry. This is like...
Okay.
What? Peppermint gum and Dr. Pepper do not mix.
What's wrong, baby girl?
102 Jams, baby, big on the building. Yo, coming up, I got my man from the BX,
Right,
man, Charlie Hustle.
What?
Hey, Daddy said.
Mommy, what? Don't say motherfucker.
Okay, mommy bad.
Okay, mommy, sorry. My daughter's telling me not to cuss, y'all.
Daddy say you bad.
Daddy say I'm bad? Yeah. You're bad too.
No.
You're a bad girl, good girl. Good girl. You look like daddy or you look like mommy? You look like Dynasty, mommy and daddy? Good answer.
Mama said cheese.
I'm not taking a picture, baby. I'm recording. You want to say cheese? Okay, say cheese. Say cheese. You want to say, oh, excuse me, you want to say hi? Go ahead, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, camera.
Hi, camera.
Do it. You know, this dude don't like clubbing or partying or dancing. Well, break dancing is part of dancing, but I don't count it as dancing like how we dance. She's silly. I'm in 3rd trimester. We're getting all the stuff for the baby boy. And we're house hunting also. So it's getting there. Are you going in and get my mocha?
I ain't going in to get your mocha. How does that go? I don't even know how to order it.
Mocha frappe.
Mocha frappe.
No whipped cream.
Cappuccino latte.
No whipped cream.
Turn on red.
With caramel drizzle.
Extra drizzle. Put shizzle my nizzle.
And cinnamon. Add cinnamon powder.
That just doesn't rhyme with it. You can't just say that.
It's okay. It don't need to be right. And that motherfucker.
Which one?
And that motherfucker.
What about popcorn? I see one popcorn, fries, and cereal.
She got mommy's pregnant cravings or something.
Okay, so I'm gonna go in there and order a mocha frappe, caramel,
Oh, joy mine.
and cinnamon. They wanted to cut in front of you. You want what? Okay.
Look how this car is parked. Like, you cut right in front of us, and that's they real close to us.
Closer.
And my husband just being an asshole. You're faster, Daddy. Look, I'm speeding up to get away from you.
Yeah, I drive fast. Mocha frappe.
Oh shit, today is Saturday.
Caramel.
Shit's packed.
And cinnamon.
Yeah, no whipped cream.
Mocha frappe, caramel with cinnamon, no whipped cream.
Yes, sir, you got it right.
You were in trouble when you walked in. That's what they're gonna say.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and let him order my mocha, but I will see you guys in the next destination.
So
Bye.
let's make sure I got this right.
We are here at Walmart, and okay, I'm about to get you out. Oh crap, my hand just covered that. But yeah, gotta take Dynasty out. Get this diaper back if they have the one Daddy wants, because I don't know if he'll settle for the one I want.
Daddy got you.
Come here, baby. Ugh. But yeah, I want like a girly type one. Well, it's like the colors for a boy. Oh, she's over there. Colors for a boy. But what am I doing? But he wants the Winnie the Pooh one. So I'm not sure how this is gonna go. But yeah, I curled my hair and pulled it to the side. Did a little neutral brown smoky eye look. Some mauvey lipstick, lip gloss. If you don't come here, look. I'm just so not used to holding the camera with my left hand. Come here, Dynasty. But yeah, we're about to go in here, get this diaper bag. Dynasty. Dynasty. Walk slow.
Mommy, hello.
You gotta wait. Come on. She just runs like she knows what she's doing. Crazy ass people. Hold on, let me see if I got it. Come here. Here, Dynasty. Here. Just now getting over my sickness. It's not taking it. Hold on, Daddy get it. It won't take it?
Don't work.
Come on, Darcy. It don't work, baby. Come on. Okay, let's go get diaper bag. Go get diaper bag for your brother. Come on, Dynasty. Let's go. It's not working. Go in there and get a different one. Come on. This way. This one right here. Come on. Hold Mommy's hand. Daddy's in the bathroom. We gotta go back there. Daddy's going to the bathroom. Come on. Dynasty, we gotta go back there. Daddy's meeting us back there. Oh my gosh. She's going to the queen thing. Hold on. Hold on, baby. Here, that's it.
Okay. I'll go to the speed. Yeah, I'll go to it.
Now, come on. Look who's leaving you. Right there. Right there.
If I can breathe.
All right, let's go.
Then you're going to send him back there, right? Yeah.
Come on, Dynasty. Okay. Dynasty. Daddy's right there. God, she runs all over the place. Well, I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to go get this diaper bag, and then I'll see you in the next destination. Bye. So we are at home. It's dark because my husband is sick, and he wanted the night lamp on instead of the regular light. But yeah. So I'm about to put my makeup stuff up. Go put my bobby pins that I pin my thing up. What's it called? My curls. How did I forget that? But yeah. I'm dropping everything. But so what are we filming tomorrow? My husband does my makeup. And probably his mani and pedicure video. I'm living with my aunt right now, so I can't do my makeup collection video, but when I move out and I have my room and my vanity set up, I will be doing that. Most of my makeup consists of drugstore makeup. Oh, he got the makeup bag. He got the diaper bag he wanted. I don't know why he wanted that type of makeup, but yeah. So, I'm about to go to sleep. Say good night. Say good night.
Good night. I'm sick.